In this video, I'll show you how to add plugins to FL Studio 24. So if you've downloaded and installed a new plugin, this is how you're going to get it to actually show up in FL Studio. What you want to do is go to the top left and click on Add. Then click on More Plugins. Then you want to click on Manage Plugins. And in here, you'll see I have a whole bunch of folders. I actually need to remove some of these. If you click on the folder icon, you can choose exactly which files FL Studio reads for new plugins. This is generally not necessary if you only use one drive, but if you have a couple, you're going to have to go and manually look where you installed your plugin. But once you have your file, all you need to do is click Find Installed Plugins. And then FL Studio will do a quick search and show you all the plugins. New ones will usually appear as orange, and you just want to click on the star so that it actually appears in your plugin search bar, if that's the actual word. And of course, depending on what plugin it is, you can either find it in your channel rack or you can find it on your mixer window. And that's how you do it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Please support the channel by hitting like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.